Hi guys, I will show you guys how to determine whether two vectors are orthogonal, parallel, or neither. So first we can use algebra to do it. We can use dot product. So which means we take vector u multiply vector v equals 7 times 5 plus -1 times 21, and we simplify it, so we have 35 minus 21 equals 14, and since 14 is not equal to 0, therefore we can come up with conclusion that the two vectors are not orthogonal. And then the other way to determine whether it's parallel or not, if one of the vectors are a factor or the multiple of the other one. So it doesn't work either in this case. Okay, so then for this case, the answer is neither. Okay, another way to solve this problem, which is use our prior knowledge. Back to integrated math 1, we learned about slope, and how do we use slope to determine whether the two lines are perpendicular or parallel. Okay, so I'll show you this. I already sketched the two vectors on the graph, and then for the first vector, so this is vector u7 -1, so this is vector u 7 comma -1, and this is vector v 5 comma 21. First of all, we can say for sure that they are not parallel. It's too obvious since we sketch it out, they cross each other, so they cannot be parallel lines. Now seems like the angle that they make right here seems like it's 90 degrees, but we cannot assume anything. We have to prove it in order to make sure is they create 90 degrees or not. So how? We learned back then that we can find the slope. So slope of this line right here for vector v will be rise over run, which is slope of vector v is 21 over 5, rise over run, while slope of vector u is -1 over 7. So 21 over 5, I'm writing it on the side, and -1 over 7, they are not reciprocal to each other. Okay, because reciprocal of 21 over 5, the negative reciprocal of 21 over 5 will be -5 over 21, and it's not -1/7. Therefore these two lines are not perpendicular either. Okay, so the answer is also neither. So there are two ways to do it. Either way you want to use, either you want to use your prior knowledge to do this one, or you can use the formula we have, that the knowledge we learned in pre-calculus to do this. Hopefully this helps you guys understand it, and you can do this in the future.